Power up your diet with pumpkin, a superfood for health and weight loss. Pumpkin is often associated with seasonal drinks and festive decor, but did you know it's also one of the most nutrient-rich foods you can include in your diet? This humble vegetable isn't just tasty, it's packed with essential nutrients, a great source of fiber, and can support weight management. Whether you're focusing on healthier eating habits, shedding a few pounds, or simply adding variety to your meals, pumpkin can be your ultimate ally. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of pumpkin and share practical ways to incorporate it into your diet. Let's dive in. Let's start with what makes pumpkin such a nutrient powerhouse. Pumpkins are loaded with essential vitamins and minerals that support various aspects of your health. First, pumpkins are an excellent source of vitamin A, which plays a critical role in improving eyesight, particularly in low-light conditions. It's also a key nutrient for glowing, healthy skin. Just 1 cup of cooked pumpkin provides more than 200% of your daily recommended intake of vitamin A. Pumpkins are also rich in vitamin C. This immune-boosting vitamin helps your body fight off colds and infections, keeping you healthy year-round. Meanwhile, vitamin E acts as a powerful antioxidant, protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. When it comes to minerals, pumpkin doesn't disappoint. It contains potassium, which helps balance fluids in your body, supports muscle function, and stabilizes your energy levels throughout the day. Additionally, magnesium in pumpkin contributes to strong bones, improved metabolism, and better heart health. What makes pumpkin even more special is how nutrient-dense yet low in calories it is. A cup of cooked pumpkin contains just about 50 calories while delivering a variety of vitamins and minerals. It's a perfect addition to meals if you're looking for nutrition without calorie overload. Another standout feature of pumpkin is its high fiber content. Fiber plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy digestive system. It keeps your digestive tract running smoothly, prevents constipation, and contributes to a healthier gut microbiome, a vital component for overall well-being. But fiber isn't just about digestion. It also promotes satiety, which means it helps you feel fuller for longer. Adding pumpkin to your meals can reduce hunger and curb those pesky in-between meal cravings. Over time, this can help support weight loss by preventing overeating and making you feel satisfied on fewer calories. For those aiming for sustainable weight management, dietary fiber is a must-have. Pumpkin offers the perfect combination of high fiber and low-calorie content, ensuring that your meals keep you energized without derailing your health goals. So how exactly does pumpkin support weight loss? Beyond its low calories and high fiber, pumpkin also contains complex carbohydrates. These carbs take longer to break down, which provides a steady source of energy and prevents blood sugar spikes and crashes. This means you can power through your day without constantly reaching for snacks. Another great benefit is its versatility in recipes. Pumpkin can easily replace higher calorie ingredients, such as cream or butter, to lower the overall caloric content of your meals. Think pumpkin puree in soups, smoothies, or desserts. It cuts down on unnecessary fats while enhancing flavors. Pumpkin is also naturally hydrating since it has a high water content, which means it adds volume to your meals without extra calories. This combination of hydration, nutrients, and satiety makes it a smart choice for anyone trying to lose weight or improve their diet quality. Now that you know why pumpkin is so powerful, let's talk about how to make it a delicious and practical part of your diet. The good news? Pumpkin is incredibly versatile. It works well in both sweet and savory dishes. One of the easiest ways to use pumpkin is by roasting it. Cutting pumpkin into wedges, seasoning it with a bit of olive oil, salt, and your favorite spices, and baking it in the oven creates a satisfying side dish that pairs well with almost any meal. Another crowd pleaser is pumpkin soup. By blending pumpkin puree with vegetable stock, garlic, and a splash of coconut milk, you can create a creamy, flavorful soup that's low in calories but high in nutrients. Pumpkin can also power up your breakfast routine. Add a scoop of pumpkin puree to your oatmeal, along with cinnamon and a drizzle of honey, for a warm and cozy bowl packed with nutrients. Alternatively, try making pumpkin pancakes. Use whole grain flour, pumpkin puree, and a hint of nutmeg to create a guilt-free version of this breakfast favorite. For a refreshing snack, blend pumpkin puree into a smoothie with banana, Greek yogurt, and a dash of pumpkin spice. This combination is not only delicious, but also rich in protein and fiber, making it perfect for a midday energy boost. Craving something crunchy? Try roasting pumpkin seeds. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, and antioxidants. Sprinkle them with a touch of salt or spices for a savory snack on the go. Pumpkin shines in desserts as well. Make a healthier pumpkin pie by using natural sweeteners like maple syrup and keeping the crust portion minimal. Or try pumpkin muffins made with whole grain flour and minimal sugar for a snack you can feel good about. If you're short on time, you can even stir a bit of pumpkin puree into plain Greek yogurt and top it with some granola. It's an easy dessert that feels indulgent without the extra calories. For those who love meal prepping, pumpkin puree can be a game changer. Add it to pasta sauces for an extra layer of creaminess or mix it into chili for a velvety texture. Its mild sweetness complements savory foods beautifully, making it a secret ingredient that takes meals to the next level. One of the best things about pumpkin is how easily it fits into a variety of diets. If you follow a plant-based diet, pumpkin is an excellent addition, providing essential vitamins and minerals often found in animal-based foods. Pair it with lentils, chickpeas, or tofu to create hearty, nutritious meals. For those on a low-carb or keto diet, pumpkin can still be part of your meals in moderation. Just watch your serving size and balance it with high-protein and high-fat components. Similarly, if you're eating gluten-free, pumpkin's natural versatility means it can replace gluten-heavy ingredients in many recipes. Even if you're working within a calorie-restricted diet for weight loss, pumpkin's low-calorie content allows you to enjoy full, satisfying portions while still staying within your caloric goals. It's truly a food that adapts to your needs. Before we wrap up, let's cover some practical tips to make the most of this superfood. When shopping, opt for fresh pumpkins in season, as they offer the best flavor and nutrients. If fresh pumpkin isn't available, canned pumpkin is a fantastic alternative. Just be sure to choose one labeled 100% pure pumpkin with no added sugar or flavorings. For meal prep, roasted pumpkin chunks or pumpkin puree can be stored in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week or in the freezer for several months. This ensures you always have a nutritious ingredient ready to use. Finally, remember that while pumpkin is low in calories, portion control is still important, especially when combining it with other calorie-dense ingredients. Stick to balanced portions to maximize its benefits. Pumpkin is more than just a fall favorite. It's a nutritional powerhouse that can support your health and weight loss goals year-round. With its rich vitamins, high fiber content, and endless versatility, pumpkin can easily become a staple in your diet. Whether it's blended into a soup, baked into a dessert, or added to a smoothie, this superfood can fit seamlessly into any meal plan. Now it's your turn. Try incorporating pumpkin into your weekly menu using some of the ideas we've discussed, and let us know which recipe was your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more diet tips and healthy food inspiration. See you in the next video.